Hello and welcome. How nice to see you again. And if this is your first time, nice to see you too. Hope you come back. So, what are we doing today? Well. Let us show you. We're doing from Udemy, the Complete Web Developer in 2021, Zero to Mastery, step 59 and 60. For the moment, I might do a bit more, I won't do any less, but we'll see how it goes because these tasks don't seem to be too long, but obviously we'll have to see. So first of all, we'll have a look at the optional exercise on step 59. So that is mastering transitions and transforms. So if you click on this link, I'll quickly go over this. Let me just see how it looks. Yes, you can still read the inner section. Yes, you can see everything. Amazing. So I won't change anything, messing it up or anything. So I'll just quickly go over this. I'm not gonna go too in depth, but I will quickly go over it. So the reason why I'm not going too deep into it, because at the end of the day I might forget most of it probably, because I won't use it and then I won't learn it, and I kind of want to move on to other things as well. So my opinion on this is, I will look now, I will remember what I can do, and then if I actually want to use it at some point, I will know that it is an option for me, and I can go back and actually learn it, because I don't want to be learning things that I won't be using, or wasting time on learning things that are not too necessary for the moment, which I could learn later when it's going to be more useful to me. So basically that's the idea. Anyway, let's crack on. Enough of me ranting. So CSS transitions and transforms for beginners. To be honest, I'm going to look for this quite quickly. So if you want to have a look, it's fallthroughbot.com. Fallbot.com. So CSS transition and introduction. Below about transition. So there's no transition here. Amazing. With transition, oh look at that. It moves out slowly and with duration, I guess. So yeah, so this is transition property and the duration of time we're using, and yeah, amazing. And then this is how the duration can differ. So it takes this one 300 milliseconds, this one seconds, or 3 seconds to move in and out. So that's cool. Transition timing optional. Transition to timing function property allows you to define the speed of the transition over the duration. The default time is easy, which starts out slow, quickly speeds up, and then slows down at the end. The other timing options are linear, no, that's not easy, that's ease in, ease out, ease in, out. So these will show us all the options. This is hard to follow. So this is just linear, the top one. This is easing in, second one. No, that's ease. What's the difference between ease and ease in? So ease in is just a bit slower, and then ease out is just fast and then slows down. Easy, I don't know, but last one is also easy and out. And then timing. delay. Oh, so you can add delays between them. So it's always going to start from the first one, but there's a bit of a delay. That's cool. Scale. So you can choose a scale of how big you want it to make it, and know about that. Ooh, rotate, look at that. Do I actually... I'm not sure how much I influence it by. Can I influence it? Yeah, it looks like it. Look at me influencing it. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Is it just because I'm getting my mouse like over and below it? Oh, I'm having too much fun with that. Transition. Ooh, now that's cool. I like that one. So you can change the X and Y axis of it. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Skew. That's boring. That's neat, I know, but I much prefer the which one? Transition one. Not transition. Translate one. That's like maths. That's like maths terms. Transform origin. Origin. Oh, that's cool. Oh, okay, that's cool. Shorthand for transform origin. Now that's cool as well. So it spins. It's a bit kind of wacky. Like if I was just a random person and I just done one of these, I'd be like, well, it does work. It wasn't working. Like, you go like this, you're like, But how I would implement this is I would implement it with scrolling instead of hovering, because when you scroll it's a bit more smoother rather than just, because your mouse can move all over the place. But yeah, that's good. So easy masters, aren't we? So we know all of these transitions and transformations exist, so we can use them in the future if you would like. Now, step 60 I'll have a look at on this laptop and let you know what I learned in a second. See you in a bit. Okay, that was a quick one. So, what have we learned? Well, the title is Responsive UI, and that is what it's all about. So, the UI is, I'm assuming at least, is what we have made, and responsive is how responsive it is. And by that we mean, let me bring up my latest things. There we go, baby faces. And basically, if we go into the developer one, which one, where is it? Developer tools. So if you go into the developer one, the developer window, we can see that there's this little phone icon. This basically lets us know how our project would look in different settings. So for instance, we can have a look on how it would look on an iPhone 6, 7 and an 8. So if you were looking at this website from an iPhone 6, 7 or 8, you would see exactly this. And basically the responsivity of a website means that it can transform and it can be used by any product, so any phone, tablet, computer, web browser, anything it can be used by, easily and user-friendly, basically. So as you can see, just trying out a few different options, you can see that my website, in fact, is quite good because you can use it as it was intended, and there's no cut-offs or no problems with it, basically. So yeah, I think we have done a great job of this being responsive, and that's it. So basically this whole stage is just about letting us and you know that it's a good thing to consider, so that what you're creating is usable for everyone, not just the desktop user. And well, I guess that's it basically. So let me go back to the original view, close this off. So yeah, this is it for now. Wasn't anything major, but we've covered 2 steps, and in the next video I'm pretty sure we're just going to do 61, 2, 3, 4 and 5 all together, finishing advanced CSS off and moving on to section 8, the bootstrap templates, building your startup landing page. So that's going to be the next step, and that's what we'll be moving on to after the next video. So hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash like or whatever, I don't know, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.